Okay. Alright. Okay, looks like something working. Um well yeah, it's working. Okay, wait, hold on, I'm just testing some stuff. Alright, now we're gonna be making Squid Game. Okay, so this is gonna be our doll. Alright, so we're gonna have this here. I'll make this a little bit more smaller. Alright. So 0, 0. Put that there. And make another costume. Go like that. Alright, so it's gonna be our doll. And then we need a character. Let's say this one. But let's make this a bit smaller. Boom. Alright, so this is completely by memory, by the way. So this isn't like, something I get from like ideas or something. So it's just coming from the top of my head. I don't usually do that for videos, but we're doing this since because it's a live stream. So yeah. Alright, so when the green flag is clicked, you wanna go to here, and then we're gonna get it forever. Get two ifs. Let's say key down arrow press. Not down arrow. Alright, right arrow, left arrow press. Alright, and then they change x by 1, and then change x by -1 here. So then they'll move by 1. Hold on, is it working? Oh shoot, I put right arrow twice. Left arrow, there we go. Now they can go like that. Okay. Alright, so it's gonna be the Squid Game. Red light, green light. Hold on, I forgot to put that as a type. Okay. Now since we have this, gotta make our backdrop. Gotta do this. We're just gonna make a line right here. Right here. Okay, and then we're gonna call this. And then, wait, no, we're gonna get something else. That's called the doll says. The doll says ... So we'll have red light. And then we'll have... Oh no, I didn't mean to export that. Alright, and then we'll have green light. Boom, boom. Makes this a bit darker. A bit shorter. There you go. So what we're gonna do is when green flag is clicked, switch the costume to costume 2. So then it's green light. And then what we're gonna do is gonna do forever loop. And then we're gonna be doing, where is it? Alright, so we're gonna do a wait like 4.45 seconds. And then we do next costume. And once we do this, it goes as red light, but it didn't kill him yet. So we need to do that real quick. So we're gonna go here again, and then we're gonna get another for. Gotta go on a ring when green flag just click again. We're gonna get an operator. Gonna get equals, and gotta do if, and then we do if backdrop. Okay, wait, no. Okay, we gotta do this as a backdrop. So we go, and then we paste it. Put them more here. And then get the red light. Right? Like, just like so. Alright, so now we're gonna change this. We're gonna do when green flag is clicked, we switch to backdrop 1. Like so, and then we do forever again. And then we do another wait 4.45 seconds, and then we do next backdrop. Now we go over here, we do if backdrop name equals to backdrop 2, because if it equals to backdrop true, it will be red light, and we need to make it to focus on. Alright, so if that happens, we're gonna do if or then we're gonna do if the right arrow or the left arrow. Okay, wait, hold on, let me put this together. So if key left arrow or right arrow is pressed while the backdrop is here, we're gonna broadcast a message saying game over. And then this is gonna receive. So we're gonna make a new backdrop right here saying game over. You can decorate it and everything, but I'm just gonna keep it simple. Say when I receive game over. Alright, so that means we have to change this. Gotta do switch to backdrop 2, and then we do this, and then we do switch to backdrop 1, and then it's gonna keep continuing doing that, and then yeah. Alright, let's see how this works. Green light, red light. Looks like nothing's working. Hold on. Let me see if I named this right. Backdrop 2. Backdrop 2. Alright, green light. Oh, red light. Game over. Alright, it shows game over. But what we need to do when the game is over, we want these sprays to hide. So what we gotta do is we're gonna do hide, and then we're gonna stop all right here. So then the whole game stops. And then over here we gotta broadcast switch. Then we broadcast switch again over here. And then we go back here, we do when green flag is click, it goes to here. And then once the switch happens, say when I receive switch, it changes to the next costume. So look, green light, red light. Oh, okay. Well, I died. Okay, wait. Oh, wait. We're supposed to show here. Alright, so yeah. Green light. And red light. But, hold on. It's different. So, we have to start it with, like, this. Boom. So, we would have to do switch costume to costume 1. Green light. Red light. There we go. So that works. And then after we put receive, when they receive game over, it hides. So then now let's start it. Green light, red light. Oh, game over. Okay. So before it shows game over, we're gonna wait like 1 second. It goes green light, then red light. Boom, game over. And we'll kind of show like something. Gotta do broadcast. Actually, never mind. We don't have to broadcast anything. And then it close the game. Oh yeah, I also forgot to put the show here. Green when the green flag is clicked. Just like so. Okay. Hold on, I'm checking chat right now. Okay, everything seems to be fine. Yeah, this is a pretty simple, easy one. I feel like that we should do a wait here, but it's not really necessary, I guess, because if you move, you die. Like green light and then red light, you die. I feel like we should add sound to this, so I might do that for like a next video, because I don't have anything to put as a sound for 4.45 seconds. But yeah, this is how you make game. And then when it goes red light, you die. If you move. But yeah, that's it. This is a pretty simple one. I didn't do too much detail of it, like the background and stuff. But you can make this way much better, which I'll probably do for a video and not for a stream. Because like I'm streaming this at like 1 a.m. So yeah. So we're gonna start explaining with this. So when the green flag is clicked, you go to 0 by 0. So it goes to the coordinates 0 to 0, which is led to here. And then we make it show it, then we like show it, obviously. And then we get a forever loop. Have this key right arrow pressed, change X by 1. So it'll move this back by 1 it'll move forward by 1 step each time, and then when it's changed x by -1, it'll move back 1 step each time. And then over here, if backdrop name equals to backdrop 2. Hold on, let me put this as red light, and then let me put this to green light. Okay, so we have this, and then go red light. So if backtrack name equals to red light, then what the game will do, if that happens, then we put another if here, because we want to see if someone's still touching the keys, you know, because the keys allow the character to move. So if they touch any of those keys, then the game will be over. We would have to broadcast it and then hide it, and we broadcast it and it'll be a game over. So it'll come over here. When it says when I receive game over, we wait 1 second. It switches to the backdrop 3, which is the game over one, and then it stops everything because they went past red light, and that means they die. So yeah, this is a pretty simple one. Just, you know, if the keys are pressed, then it's game over. Okay. Alright. Now for the doll, this one's pretty easy. When green flag is clicked, it shows the costume 1, so it always goes to this one first, because it's green light, obviously. And then go show, and then go to 0 by 0. And I received switch. So we go over here. This is the forever. So this is all the green light stuff, you know. So when the green flag is clicked, the backdrop switches to green light, just in case if it's like in game over or something. And then what it does, it waits for 4.45 seconds, and then it switches to red light. Okay, when you want it to switch to red light backdrop to this one, you want this costume to go the other side, like that, red light. So what I did over here is I broadcasted a switch, or like I named it a switch. So I broadcasted it and then sent it over here. So then when it receives switch, it can change to the next costume, which will change to this. And then I added another switch after the wait point 4.5 seconds, because we also want it to go back when it goes to green light, as you can see over here. We already talked about this, and yeah, that's basically it. It's a very simple one. I'll probably add more detail to it later. I might upload this, so this might be called, like, I don't know, Squid Game red light, green light, and then I'll probably leave the link in the description in a few days, or I'm probably gonna make a video about it and making it more detailed, because yeah, why not? Yeah, but this is basically, like I said, a simple one. I didn't take too far. I just did this on the top of my head, because yeah, I was just figuring out some stuff. What can we do? And this is what we came up for. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. If you're not subscribed in, then go subscribe. So then you know. Okay, wait, no. You subscribe, but then you turn on the post notifications, so then it'll let you know every time I post a video. I haven't posted a video in like in a year, and yeah, I am sorry for not posting for a whole year. But yeah, I'm back with the red light green light game. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. And if you want me to do other tutorials on stuff, just let me know in the comments below. And then yes, Oh, and I also forgot to mention. Okay, before we get out of here, I forgot one more thing when it touches the line. Okay, hopefully some of you guys are not out yet, but when it touches the line. So let's say we get when green flag is clicked, we get a forever again, and we do if we drag an if, and then we get a touching color one. If touching color, it'll be this line. Then broadcast you win, and then you hide this. Yes, I do it for the same as this, but you have to do when you receive you win, and then go over here. So when I receive you win, you switch to the backdrop, and then you put over here a you win. Yeah. A you win right here. Okay, so that will work, and then it will switch to the backdrop. One, I guess. All right, let's see what happens when we touch it. All right. Okay, wait, it's still going, probably because of this. And I probably didn't put the right backdrop. Okay, no, I did. So I should be showing this, but I think I just have to do this instead. And then we do green. And then boom, you win. Alright, so that works. I don't know why that wasn't working, but yeah, it happens. Alright, let's see if the red light still works. Yeah, it still works. It still works. Okay. Oh, but then at the end it shows you win. Oh. Wait, hold on. Let's see that again. Let's go over here. Red light. Game over. Oh, that's it. That's it. That's it. It showed a you win. Yeah, it showed a you win. But I don't know why it does that. Maybe it's that I need to press the green light the green flag 2 times or something. But yeah, this is how you do it. I'm gonna have to explain the whole thing all over again, and it's probably gonna be cut out because I forgot one thing, and I'm sorry for that. These are the stuff I'm probably not gonna explain it, but it's a pretty simple one, as you can see from the tutorial. You know, this is probably like the most difficult part, but it's so easy. Or maybe this one might be the difficult part right here. But it's pretty easy to understand because, you know, if you put a forever and then if backdrop name equals red light, then obviously we need to know if anyone is still touching the keys. So we do an if, but right arrow is pressed, or if left arrow is pressed during the red light backdrop going on, then we have to broadcast a game over or whatever it's called for you, and then we have to hide it, and then we have to make it receive. We have to make it receive it to the backdrop script. So then we put this when I receive game over. We wait 1 second, and then we switch it to backdrop 3, which is the game over one, and then yes, that's how you do. Okay, wait, hold on. I think it's showing the U because my nose might be the same color as the one that I'm using. So I'm gonna change it like that. Okay. So Yeah, it just sends it to here, and then we have a you win one. So like if this is touching the line right here, then it obviously will broadcast the you win. So when it touches that line, it would broadcast the you win. It'll send it to here, and then it'll change it to backdrop one, and then it will show this. So yeah, this is a pretty simple one. I'm probably gonna do another video of it, just to make it more detailed, and then like with the sound and stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And yeah, like I said, simple tutorial. That's all I wanted to show you guys. And I'm probably gonna do another video of this, more detailed, in the future. So